This is such a fun, old school and playful, crafty way of figuring out how to safely and quickly add different elements to an existing painting. Hi everyone, it's Crystal Beshara here, and if you have been following me for a while, you know that I offer all sorts of free tips and tricks, as well as a selection of online courses through my website where you can learn step by step with me. Please consider subscribing, and I hope you enjoy this new video. If you don't know how to use technology to figure out some compositional changes or elements that you'd like to add to your final painting, you can use an old school method, which for me works really nicely. So I've cut out these various shapes, and so I've got different body positions here. I have a pretty good idea of what the scale of a little song sparrow would be, and I'm going to see which one works best with my painting. So I've just taken a roll of masking tape and stuck it behind my bird and fastened it to my dried oil painting. So that way I can reposition it and move it around. And I'm not too worried at this point about the lighting or anything like that. I can change the orientation of the bird, and having cut out a selection of different bird shapes, I can choose the bird that I want to work with. But this gives me lots of flexibility and lots of options just by using a simple cutout. Once I've selected the perfect position for my bird integration, I'll just take a chalk pastel pencil and outline the bird. Because my oil painting has dried already, the pastel pencil will be easy to erase if I decide that I want to change my mind after. I would love your opinion. Which option do you like the most? A, B, or C? If you enjoy free tips like this, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow, and you get notified every time I share something new, whether it's behind the scenes or a professional tip in watercolor, oil, pastel, pencil, or pen and ink. Thanks for being here, and hope to see you the next time.